Hello learners, welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, your number one place for learning Hausa language easily. Today's lesson is on fruits and vegetables in Hausa. This lesson will help you to identify fruits and vegetables and how to talk about them. So relax, let's have fun. Common fruits: tufa, apple, ayaba, banana, lemo, orange, mangwaro, mango, abarba, pineapple, kankana, watermelon, gwanda, pawpaw, inibi, grapes, goba, guava. Examples: ina son tuffa. I like apples. Ayaba tana da daɗi. Bananas are sweet. Na sayi lemo. I bought an orange. Mangwaro yana da laushi. Mango is soft. Abarba na da zaƙi. Pineapple is sweet. Kankana tana da ruwa. Watermelon is juicy. Inibi yana da tsami. Grapes is sour. Common vegetables: tomato, albasa, onion, attarugu, pepper, kubewa, okra, yalo, garden egg, karas, carrot, cabbage, salak, lettuce, shuwaka, bitter leaf, alayyahu, spinach. Examples: tumatir yana da zaƙi. Tomato is sweet. Albasa tana da ƙamshi. Onion smells nice. Attarugu yana da yaji. Pepper is spicy. Kabeji yana gina jiki. Cabbage is nutritious. Yalo yana da ɗanɗano. Garden egg are tasty. Buying fruits at the market. Nawa ne wannan tufar? How much is this apple? Naira 20 ne. It is 20 naira. Ina son na siya ayaba guda 5. I want to buy 5 bananas. Ga su nan naira 100 ne. Here they are, 100 naira. Talking about vegetables. Albasan tana da kyau. The onion is good. Kubewa tana da ɗanɗano. The okra is tasty. Karas yana da kyau ga yara. Carrot is good for children. Now let's go over the common fruits names and vegetables again. Tufa, apple, ayaba, banana, lemo, orange, mangwaro, mango, abarba, pineapple, kankana, watermelon, gwanda, pawpaw, inibi, grapes, goba, guava, tomato, tomato, albasa, onion, attarugu, pepper, kubewa, okra, yalo, garden egg, karas, carrots, cabbage, salak, lettuce, shuwaka, bitter leaf, alayyahu, spinach. With this, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye bye. See Anjima.